Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Wetlands Day. World Wetlands Day is celebrated annually on 2nd February. The day aims to raise global awareness about the vital role of wetlands for people and the planet. This year's theme is It's Time for Wetlands Restoration, which highlights the urgent need to prioritize wetland restoration. This day also marks the date of the adoption of the Convention on Wetlands on 2nd February 1971 in the Iranian city of Ramsar. On 30th August 2021, the UN General Assembly proclaimed 2nd February as World's Wetlands Day to raise awareness of the urgency of reversing the accelerating loss of wetlands and to promote their conservation and restoration. Significantly, wetlands are land areas that are saturated or flooded with water either permanently or seasonally. They are cradles of biological diversity, providing the water and primary productivity upon which countless species of plants and animals depend for survival. Healthy wetlands are essential to achieving the following Sustainable Development Goals. Wetlands are critically important ecosystems that contribute to biodiversity, climate mitigation and adaptation, freshwater availability, world economies, and more. Nearly 90% of world's wetlands have been degraded since the 1700s. And we are losing wetlands 3 times faster than forest. It is urgent that we raise national and global awareness about wetlands in order to reverse their rapid loss and encourage actions to conserve and restore them.